How to fix PS5 error CE-111161-1. Here's how to fix PS5 error CE-108862-8 yourself. 1. Check the connection status of HD camera, if any, and PlayStation camera, if any. Reinstalling your devices is kindly recommended, such as reseating the cable. 2. Check the following for the connection status of your PS HD camera or PS camera connected to your PlayStation 5 console. 2.1. For PS camera PS5 players, you need a dedicated adapter to use it with your PS5. And recheck the connection method according to the device you have. 2.2 Use your camera in a bright room as much as possible. 2.3 Check the position by adjusting the distance to your PS HD camera or the camera's angle. Refer to the following IMG. 2.4. Review current settings of the camera on your PS5. And reset them up, if needed.